Right, hello and welcome to our tutorial series on Connected ModeID. In this first part of the series, we'll be installing Docker and Docker Compose, since that's what Connected ModeID is built on top of. We'll be using Ubuntu 20.04 in this series, but it is entirely possible to use a different Linux distribution. However, we do recommend using Ubuntu long-term support. If you want to use a different distribution, you can open up your browser and go to docs.docker.com. Get started, get Docker, Docker for Linux, and you'll always find up-to-date guides for various Linux distributions and how to install the latest version of Docker on those. Alright, let's get started on Ubuntu 20.04. We'll first open up our terminal and update our package repositories. We'll do that using sudo apt update. And of course, we need sudo privileges for this. Next up, we'll update any outdated packages on our system to ensure security. We'll do it using sudo apt upgrade. We have to hit Y to confirm. Depending on the number of updates available and your connection speed, this might actually take a while. Next up, we need to actually install Docker and Docker Compose. We can do this using sudo apt install docker space and docker -compose. We'll need to confirm that using Y. Now this might take a few minutes. The installation of Docker and Docker Compose is finished. We can confirm the installation is successful by checking the installed version. For Docker, this means typing in docker-v. This should give us the installed version of Docker. Next up, we do the same for Docker Compose by typing docker -compose -v. And this should give us the version as well. With that, we've got Docker and Docker Compose successfully installed. In the next part, we'll look at installing Connected ModeID on top of Docker and Docker Compose.